Hey Google, call Stan.
Calling Stan Mobile.
Yo, you guys still out?
Yeah, we're literally at the place where we went to last time.
If I brought like an Evo kit out there, can I install it on anyone's helmet? Would anybody want it there?
I mean, there's Tommy's Arai, and then Jesse has a graphic Arai as well.
I'm just gonna bring like 5 different colors and head out there.
Alright.
Okay, see you guys soon. I got my clutch hand in. Holla, holla.
I've decided what I want for my LightMode helmet.
Which one?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I want
Fuck.
one that changes the color.
RGB?
Yeah.
Everybody wants that. Doesn't exist for EL. That's for LED tech. I gotta design it and I gotta make it.
A special one.
Dude, I get every single day someone asks me for that.
Yo, just how literally are you literally?
He's literally going to install an Evo Kit on that Arai,
Guys,
quite literally.
The last video you two uploaded, you got the same perspective. And now the 3 of us have cameras and we're gonna upload the same goddamn video on 3 different channels.
Yo, look at the camera and raise your eyebrows.
Alright, judges scorecards. Hey, 2 thumbs up. Sean? Oh, no? Tommy? 10!
Jesse apparently had to go for the helmet.
No, he didn't.
So Stan here is loading up. Camera angle number 2 for me.
Slow motion.
It's the slow motion.
What are you doing, Tommy? What are you doing? The next thing we're gonna do is come like full speed and then just slam on the brakes right in front of me. Just don't hit me, please.
You wanna go like fast or? Hard brakes.
Yeah, fast and then hard brake.
Alright, good.
Yeah, don't kill me.
Try not to.
Right on, man. You look like a badass. Do you feel like a badass?
Yes.
Awesome. That's a wrap.
Warm, sweet warm.
Ariel, it's like 18 degrees out.
I'm so cold.
I think we're done filming here. That was an impromptu, ooh, that's good lighting. That was an impromptu LightMode install. Stan gave me a call last minute, said to come out with Moto Turtle and some friends here. So now we're done filming. We done? I think we're done. Calling that a day.
Get him! Get him, Tommy!